Hey guys, Richard here. Oh my goodness, let's get this camera ready. Here we go. All right. Man, it is a gorgeous day today. Amanda and I have been pedaling around in the garage, doing a few different things, doing some maintenance stuff, and we've been itching to get out for a ride, but we're waiting for a delivery, and so we couldn't really leave, and now we're like getting kind of antsy, and so finally Amanda left and went for a ride for a little bit, and I waited, and now she's waiting, and I'm going for a ride for a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna go this way. So I'm riding the Ansky S700. Yeah, just trying to get familiar with it here. It's a little different, smaller style bike. I'll go up and pedal assist 3 here. Yeah, I'll show it to you here in a few minutes, show you what it looks like. So, just, yeah, just getting familiar with it. Unfortunately, it had a little bit of shipping damage when we first got it, so that's why we haven't been able to make any videos of it yet. But we got that broken or messed up part taken care of, and so now we're like ready to start riding this some more and getting familiar with it and bringing you some videos, telling you what you think. I already like it for well, one main reason. It's a slightly smaller frame. And sometimes you hear, you know, people asking, hey, you know, I'm a small person, I'm 4'6", or, you know, smaller, and I'm looking for an e-bike, you know, that's my size, and they're just, you know, there's stuff out there, but I personally haven't really had any good recommendations when people were asking that sort of thing. Now I do, because, you know, this is a 20-inch tire bike, but the seat, or the frame is designed so the seat actually can sit a little lower for shorter people, and it's a pretty lightweight bike. It's not a big heavy frame. It's a smaller frame. It's a thinner frame, so it's not real big and beefy. And so, yeah, let's just stop right up here, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to stop right here in the sunshine. Yeah, so let's take a quick look here. So this is, you know, it's the S700, but the S stands for Sparks, I guess, because they've got Sparks written back there, saying S700, or Sparks 700, rather. But, yeah, and we got the basket package, so we got the baskets on the front, baskets on the rear, and it's a cool-looking little bike. I really like what this looks like. You know, it's just, it's a folding bike, but it's really thin. I mean, it's like super thin, so, you know, that really cuts down on the weight. And, you know, I don't remember the size of this battery yet. I think it's like, I don't know all the specs, guys. I haven't memorized all the specs because we haven't been riding it much. I think the battery's like a 14 amp hour maybe or something. I don't know for sure. So that also cuts down on the weight. But this seat right here, I mean, you know, that's pretty low. So, well, yeah, I would say someone who's in a 4'7" or something could probably easily ride that. Oh my goodness, we're over here and we got goats and chickens, and they're never this noisy. They were noisy a couple of days ago when I was out here doing a video. These guys went nuts. Oh, I think it's feeding time. That's what it is. Yeah, see, she just broke out the food and she's going to feed the animals. And everyone's excited and looking for food, and everyone's moving toward the fence line looking for their food. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Talk about animal abuse. She just picked that goose up by the head. Look at that one too. Wow. I mean, I get it that they're I get it that they're attacking her because they're trying to get to the food, and she's out there trying to feed them, but she's out there grabbing them by the neck. Whew. I don't know. I don't know. It's truly, I'm not a farmer. I don't know. I don't understand things. Look, there's donkeys are over here just chilling. Just hanging out, chilling. Watching and listening to the mayhem. They're just by themselves saying, you know what? We're just going to mind our own business. We got a couple of ducks or something over there chasing each other. Talking about mayhem. Oh my gosh. What's with this? Hear that guy? Good grief. It's like Jurassic Park around here. Oh my gosh. Let's get back to our video. So the Ant Sky is, I think, perfect for a smaller rider. You can't see the bird, but that's one of those big tall gray birds. Got the red, the sandhill cranes is what they're called. These things are noisy. Oh my gosh. Ruining my video. Let's see here. So we do have suspension forks. We got the mag wheels, which I think really kind of adds to the look of this bike. It's really kind of cool. So it's a lighter weight bike because it's got the smaller frame and slightly smaller battery than, big bikes. So I don't remember what the weight is. I don't know all the specs, guys. I'm just trying to show you a little bit about it. Show you what I'm riding. Let's get back on here and ride. These handlebars are kind of narrow, so they're not real wide like you'd find like on a larger bike. So they kept with a more narrow, handlebars. Kind of go with the overall style of the bike, which is keeping it kind of small and lightweight. It's a good price on this too. Oh my goodness, what is it? What is the cost on this one? I think this is like $1,099 or something. So, this is a lower budget, bike that's gonna fit the needs of a lot of people. So, I mean, heck yeah. I think this one was, I don't remember what the weight is. I'm even going to try to tell you what that is, but it is, since it's lighter weight, it would be a lot easier to pick up and put in the back of a car or something, and travel with it. Yeah, so I wonder if FedEx showed up yet. We're waiting for a delivery of another bike, and we already have an unboxing that Amanda and I were planning on trying to do today. So we got a lot going on. It's quite busy here. It is quite busy. I'm going to turn around here. I need to turn around. Yeah, so let's see what else. What else is going on? I'm not quite ready to, this might be a long video. I might just edit it down. I'm just not quite ready to stop yet. There's Amanda somewhere in there.